Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my hair journey. And today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to get this sleek ponytail and then an extension on the back. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this tutorial, you're going to need this leave-in conditioner, which is this Cantu, and then the raw shea butter, and this for the hair, and some bobby pins, some water in this bottle spray, and then these two brushes, and these two braids from Abuja Darling. If you don't know, this is how it looks. I'm going to make my hair a little bit wet, and I did the deep conditioning. I'll add the link down below so you can watch the video on how I do deep conditioning. I just let my hair air dry, and for now it's a little bit dry, so I'll just add a little bit of moisture, and I'm going to use this bottle spray to add in the water. Then I'll start with this leave-in conditioner, this much. I'll do this as I finger detangle my hair. Deep in my soul. Deep in my soul. Deep in my soul. Then I'll add in the raw shea butter, just a little bit, which is this much, and you can see. Deep in my soul. Is moisturizing your hair, and once it's moisturized with water, I'll apply in the leave-in conditioner from the Cantu. And when I apply the leave-in, I'll try to finger detangle my hair as much as possible. As you can see, the hair is a little bit moisturized, so it's easy to finger detangle. Then I'll go in with the raw shea butter and just take the brush and brush my hair. Once your hair is smooth, you just have to secure it with a normal hairband, like the one I'm using. Then we'll go to the second part, which is working on these two Abuja braids as my extension. Deep in my soul. The 3-strand twist is ready. I'll just go ahead and tie it around, and then that is it. From deep in my soul. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Until next time, see you. Bye.